Hello there, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Ujjwal and today I'm sharing another art journal page with you. So a lot of supplies, mixed media, textures and lots of fun. So let's get started. All the amazing supplies used are from the Crafters Workshop TCW and I'll link everything down below. So when I started recording the video, unfortunately my memory card got corrupted. So I'll just walk you through it here. First, I gave a coat of gesso to prepare the base, and then I used some Tim Holtz tissue tapes and adhered them onto the page with some gel media. Next, I am drawing a pair of glasses here. The coat that I'm working on, I'm just kind of trying to interpret a quote here, and it says something about rose-tinted glasses. I'll leave the quote here so you get a better idea. And so I'm just sketching the tinted glasses, and now I'm going to add some texture around the glasses. So I'm using some platinum modeling paste with a spatula, and I'm using this stencil called Distressed Lace. It's a very beautiful intricate stencil, and I'm applying it on random areas onto the page, making sure not to cover the sketch of the glasses that I've created. Next, I'm using the white pearl modeling paste and this stencil called Script Dots, and adding more texture to the remaining area outside of the sketch. And this white pearl modeling paste has a very beautiful shine to it. You will see in the still photos how beautiful that looks. So now we are going to color our sketch of the glasses and make them rose tinted. So I'm using the raspberry sorbet heavy body paint here, just using my fingers and some water to dilute it and add it to the glasses. Now we're going to wait and let everything dry. I used a heat gun, and when I used a heat gun, the texture paste kind of bubbles up, adding even more texture to the whole thing. Next, I'm going in with some acrylic paints. I'm using lemon sorbet and I'm using black licorice here and a wet wipe, and I'm going to cover the entire journal, leaving out the glasses that I've created, and I'll cover the rest of the page with these two colors, blending them with the wet wipe as we go. So here my intention is to showcase the dark and gloomy world outside of the tinted glasses, the rose tinted glasses. I want to show that the world outside is gloomy, and that is the reason that I'm using these dark black, gray and kind of these dull colors to be on the outside. Next, I'm adding some white splatters all across the page using the white gesso. So be generous and add lots of splatters. It just really adds more texture to the page. And we're going to let it dry, and then use the Faber Castell PITT Artist brush pen in black and add in all our details. So the first thing that I'm doing is to define the glasses that I had sketched, and then I'm going to go in and sketch a rough skyline of a city. So I hope you are able to interpret or understand my interpretation of this particular quotation. So I'm just going to quickly go in and sketch out a very rough skyline of a city here. And now it's time to add some cracks and crevices in our rose tinted glasses. So as per the quote, I'm trying to interpret as much as I can visually from the quote into our journal here. And then I went in and added some more black to the outside edge of this page just to give it more definition. And I'm going to remove the extra sheets that I had there, and you can see that the page is looking pretty good right now. And I'm going to add more details and the quotation. So I printed out the quotation on an A4 size page, and I'm going to cut it into strips and then glue it down using the gel medium onto the page. And then I just added some final finishing touches. I added some shadows in the background wherever the texture was with the black pen. I also added some more fine cracks on the page, or extended the cracks, so there is more detailing going on here. You could also highlight the sentiment with a black pen, go across the edges of the strips, but I didn't do it for this particular page. You could if you wanted to. So that's it, that's my page. All supplies I used here are from the Crafters Workshop TCW and are listed below in case you want to check them out. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I am also on Instagram, so don't forget to follow me there, and I will see you again next time. Thank you so much for watching today and have a great day.